Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize NordVPN app connections with secure protocol settings. Quick tutorial step by step. Open your NordVPN app on your device. Navigate to the settings menu. Look for the connection tab. Select the protocol option. You will see several protocol choices. These may include OpenVPN, IKEv2/IPsec, and NordLynx. Choose the protocol that best suits your needs. For optimal security, consider selecting NordLynx. This protocol offers a good balance of speed and security. Once you have made your selection, ensure it's highlighted. Next, return to the main screen of the app. Connect to your desired server by selecting it from the list. Wait for the connection to establish. Once connected, you can verify the secure connection. Check the status indicator within the app. You are now successfully authorized with your chosen secure protocol. Feel free to disconnect and reconnect to test different servers or protocols. Your NordVPN connection is now configured for secure browsing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.